Yo, what's up guys? Back with my video here. Today we have this Whirlpool high efficiency washer. If you did not see my last video I did on this machine has bad bearings. Because as you know, when I turn the drum, it has noisy bearings. So the bearings will need to be replaced in this machine. So this machine right here, as you can see, we already got it torn apart, and we've got this part. You can see this part just lifts. This part just lifts right on up, as you can see. And it's got clips, but this part you can see, well, right here you can see this part is basically just sitting down on top. So this machine is torn apart completely, but anyways, but if I push down on this, look how many times the top bounces up. Yeah, it should only bounce up like 1 or 2 times instead of multiple. See, look how many times that bounces up. That bounces up maybe like, I don't even know. Let's see if I can count though. Okay, I counted 14 times. So that tells me that the shocks or the suspension springs are bad. We ordered some suspension rods and springs for it. We got a whole new suspension ordered for this machine. So anyways, oh yeah, by the way, another softener thing for that, because we had to break it off to take this agitator off. This agitator does come out. The bolt is loose, but oh, I got that part off. I didn't even mean to do that, but whatever. Here are your agitator dogs. Yeah, just stick that back in there, like so. You can see. The dogs might need to be replaced, because you can just see how it's acting up. Okay, okay. So yeah, the suspension rods have been ordered. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in diagnostic mode. 2, 3, back. There we go, we're in diagnostic mode. And we're going to go to manual diagnostics. Spin and done light. This is in the switch, which is so this is off the lid, so I can run this with the machine lid open. Press to start. Press to start again. The lid is locked. So this thing is locked right here. And we are going to go to the spin, the wash and spin. No, the wash and done light. There we go, the wash and done light. So all I'm just going to do now and push to start. And guys, you guys will see exactly. Well, this mainly happens when there's a heavy load of clothes. But anyways, but yeah, let's just, here we go. So this will begin to spin. I don't know what it's doing really. Come on, there we go. There you go, you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about now. It just goes out of balance. So got some new of these ordered. So anyways, see that spinning in there. Got power it, turn it off. That's what happens. So yeah, that's what happens. And it's even worse when there's clothes in here. So anyways, that's pretty much just what I wanted to do here. So show you a video on what's wrong with this machine, and this machine is going out of balance. So we have new suspension springs and rods ordered, and especially a new cap thing for this. So anyways, that pretty much ends this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos on these right here, on these appliances. I have all these appliances in my garage. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 appliances. So anyways, it ends it right here. We're going to go ahead and cancel out. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Let's go back. Stop the drone. Then we are going to cancel out of the cycle, the diagnostic. There, it's been exited out of diagnostic mode. So anyways, that's the end of this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more on videos like these right here. Please go down below and hit the subscribe button on this video if you're new to the channel. We are so close to 200 subscribers. I would greatly appreciate it if you go down below and hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button. Also, go ahead and hit the like button on this video right here if you enjoyed it. So anyways, that ends this video right here, and stay tuned for more. Till next time, guys, peace out.